episode 6, I think. We are getting ready to finish the kitchen, and guess what? I found wine rings. He said I couldn't, I found them. We're going to get the kitchen done, then we're going to move into some painting, which really sits on my shoulders. And I'm lucky because this roof is little, so I won't get the cramp in my arms that I usually get when I paint. And then we're going to move into the bathroom, and that is pretty exciting.
Why is there a pantry there instead of a fridge?
Okay, so what happened? Remember my great idea for the pantry? To go in the cupboard over there? So as it turned out, we didn't leave enough of a gap here. So when we put the bench on, it would have been hard up against here, the fridge, and I didn't like that. Neither did Christopher. So, and I'm the boss of him. So I decided that we would put the fridge in there, pantry here, because it's only $5.50 this pantry, and the fridge was wider. Of course, that meant we had to buy another fridge, which is okay. Anyway, I think this is going to look fantastic. And then the fridge will just be here. Enjoy this episode, guys.
We've been screwing around with this kitchen all morning. Cut down this cabinet a bit, you would have seen that. And that one's in there as well. All in all, looking pretty good now. I have to build a wall at the back of this so that the fridge can go in there. Okay, ready for jib. She's all framed. I'm going to throw some jib on it right now.